Well, yes. Um, I called it nation building, where my thoughts, yeah, would affect the thoughts of the children that I'm going to have. And those thoughts would affect the idea of demographic changes. Yes. Now, why don't we have a look at the actual demographic of the United States of America? The last time I looked, I think it was approximately 16% African American, yeah, 14% Hispanic, yeah, 5 or 6% other ethnicities, yeah, and then about 65 or 66% Caucasian, yeah. Now I'm a multi-ethnic lover. And I kind of thought that it would be useful if I, as a father, was enabled to change the demographics so that we would be more accepting, yeah, of the mixing of ethnicities so as to make families. Now it's going to take a little work, okay? And I'm going to need to have my sons, yes, and that first volunteer, yeah. Now I know somebody thought, well, we'll just control them and we'll separate them so that they won't mix demographically throughout the whole United States of America. But my thought was, no, I think we should. Now, let's say 20 years from now. I was involved in a five-star charity where I paid for it and the charity itself. Yes. And you all volunteered to give me babies, and we sewed into them so as to change the sexuality of the nation, as well as being more acceptive of other ethnicities. Because I thought somebody wanted to reverse that whole process so that we would all be separated because of sewing. Yes, because of ethnicity. Now, for every white individual that thought, we do not mix races. I thought we do, Pooch. And I was kind of wanting to know, okay. The demographics of the United States of America. Now, there's multiple ways to do this. Yeah. There was a census that took place 9 years ago. Yeah. And we looked at the next one that's going to happen. I'm not concerned about the government shutdown, okay? You keep the government shut down for the next year and a half until the president runs for office again.